This is a spike ball. The point of this is to be a projectile that looks like Corona, does a lot of damage. All of these spikes over here are actually cement nails. All of these nails are inserted from the inside, and then I put these little caps on the tip, so then I could hold it in my hand without getting injured. And also it'll be easier to put it inside a projectile contraption without it getting stuck on the inside on the nails. The way I made it is all these nails are inserted from the inside, and then when I throw it or shoot it with a projectile weapon, then the nails will go straight through the cap and get stuck in whatever it is you're throwing it at. Make sure that the nails won't be pushed back in. I put this little marble in the middle. This entire thing is 3D printed. I printed it in 2 different halves, and then I glued it together with epoxy and a little bit of super glue just for good measures. And how well does it work? I don't know. I didn't try it yet. Let's try. So I threw it a couple times. It won't stick, but it does make holes. It'll hurt, but it's not lethal. It looks like the caps are being pushed back, but it won't stick in the wood. It only penetrates the wood and bounces off. Let's see what happens if I throw them without the caps. Still bounces off, but looks like it'll hurt a little more. That looks nasty. It looks like it sticks very nicely to cardboard. Maybe I should make a dartball out of it. I went and got myself a watermelon. And I also have this tin box I filled up with water. This round should be a lot more fun. I also put new caps on the spikes so I could hold it in my hand. And it doesn't hurt at all. The caps are working nicely. This thing does plenty of damage. It works. Doesn't stick, but it works. Just for the experiment, I want to see if it can make it stick. I'm going to take off the caps now. Doesn't stick. Still messy though. Yep, that works. I think it doesn't matter if it sticks or not. It's pretty dangerous. That's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. I know I enjoyed making it. Let me know what you think about this project. Leave me a comment. If you'd like to see more of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later in my next video.